In this video, I will show you step by step how to cancel Jobright subscription AI. So if you want to cancel your subscription Jobright AI, follow me in this video. Go to your accounts from here, go to the setting, log in your accounts on Jobright. You will see this page. From this page, you will see different options here. Go to the subscription section, as you can see here, and then look for cancel option from here. So currently I have just free plan. If you have premium plan, just click cancel subscription from here. And if you have any problem, just click contact support, choose subscription and membership, and then give details there. For example, I want to cancel my plan, cancel plan, for example, in this case. After that, all you have to do, click on yes, I do receive full support, click submit. Basically, this is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video. Just go to setting, from go to subscription, follow the steps. Thanks for watching this guide.